Filter is here. Small little stream, bridge, front entrance of the house. This is space. Pumps working, but it's not running well. So going to give them a price for a different pump, probably to 4,000 to 8,000. Little stream area, pond area in here. This area is really like 9 by 9-ish, and that's probably like 15, 18 by like 2.5. So we're gonna clean up in there. Kind of messy. Pull some of these weeds. That big thing in there. Like just clean it. Get the waterfall going in there. The back side is where he's got his issue. So he's got a canister and a UV light. He's actually got a real UV light. This thing costs probably like a couple grand. I guess it's probably like $1,500, $2,000. So he's got a canister here, small, and he's got this little canister that holds the water. Only problem is he's got right now, it leaks. So we're going to look at disconnecting there and disconnecting that there and connecting the two for the time being to get this thing up and running. Has a second system here. I don't think this is deep. I think this is shallow. It's got little fish in here. So it's this triangle spot. It's 3, 6, 9, 9-ish by 9, 9 by 11, weird shape. It's running. Definitely has algae. Probably give him a price for autodoser, ion gen option. Yeah, it's got lots of debris in there. It's got his UV light back in here. You know, it just got a lot of debris that get in there. We are in Hewlett Harbor, right on the water. Nice client I met the other day. His pond over here hasn't been running for about 3 weeks. He's got this system here, and a second one over here, and a third one in the back. This one we're working on doing a partial drain and clean. The one over there, we're going to do the same thing, and then we're also going to add some basic lighting in it. Get some auto dosers set up on these things, get these back up and running. I'm going to get the plumbing behind it fixed. My guys are cleaning. This thing, I wish I had a video before, but this thing was completely overgrown. You can see the waterfall area. My other guy's back there pruning the roses, all the weeds that are falling this thing. He's got a horrible landscaping. The guys literally came and did weeding. They pulled out a weed there, left the one that's growing underneath the bench. So we're going to work on fixing this project here. They have additional projects down the road, putting in new pumps, doing additional landscape lighting around the whole yard, rebuilding the whole system in the back. So we got the filter system fixed. I took out that pre-filter canister and just connected with a direct piece of pipe for now. So the system can run, so the waterfall can go, so you can circulate water and do all those fun things. Let's go take a look. Otherwise, this area is kind of fixed. We're all finished. System's up and running. We had to take a lot of it apart to get it to work properly. Did a partial water change. Fish look happier. We're doing some aquatic plants. We got the dragonflies going. The water flow is nice and clear. Things are moving along.